Hello guys, welcome to my channel Michael's Go Watch TV for short MGWTV. Don't forget subscribe, like, share and hit the notification bell, so that you can watch my new updated videos uploaded. Thank you.
MGW, Michael Go Watch TV.
To all watchers, if you want to do this, just like easily editing your photos, that can use your cell phone, tablet, laptop, computer or any Android phone. But for me, I like to use cell phone, so that you can use it, very comfortable, easily, very convenient usage and if where you want to go you can do it your work well.
Okay, guys, today I want to teach you if how become looks beautiful and very knowledgeable editing to your photos such as making 2x2 or maybe 1x1 photo size, using the 3 application that I experienced such as text on photo, BeautyPlus, and background eraser. Please watch this video tutorial until to the end this video, so that you have learned more and you can get some technique to when you do this. Don't skip guys. And watch this. When you open the app, you can choose between uploading a photo from your gallery or taking a new one from the camera app at that moment. You can use tools for intelligent background selection or intelligent object replacement, which works like the Photoshop clone stamp. BeautyPlus, Magical Camera is one of Android's most popular photo editing apps. It has everything you need in a photo editor, from simple adjustments like brightness and contrast to AI-enabled edits like acne removal and facial feature modification. Remove acne, pimples, and blemishes, smooth skin, brighten eyes, whiten teeth, slim face, reshape the body, try trendy makeup, use remover to delete unwanted artifacts, add filters and special effects, add blur effect, add sticker, doodle pen, and more to enhance images with BeautyPlus. If you go to the adjustments panel, you can modify the image's brightness, contrast, saturation, temperature, highlights, shadows, clarity, and more. And the second is background eraser. Background eraser is very simple and easy to use because you just need to click its AI button and the unwanted background of your image will be removed automatically. In background eraser, it's easily to erase background of your image, refine the edges, and change the background in photo with a few clicks. What else can you do with our background eraser? Transparent and white background and PNG converter. One easy erase, auto remover. Unlike other alternatives on the market, background eraser, transparent and white background and PNG converter, the best BG remover, provides you with a custom selection tool. Just tap on the area you want to remove, make it transparent background or white background. 1. Add background, photo editor. After removing background, you can either leave it transparent, or you can add color, add image, add background and edit picture. 1. Magic tool, smart selection. Just like in any professional photo editing software, background eraser, transparent and white background and PNG converter provides you with a magic tool, where you can select an area according to its color, then remove background. You can always adjust the intensity to erase more or less areas, for transparent background or white background. Try the best BG remover. 1. Photo editor, image editing, background eraser, transparent and white background and PNG converter provides you with Lyrebird Studio's all available photo effects, filters and After Effects. 1. Custom background. After you delete or remove background, you can choose an image from your gallery to add as background. 1. Optimize and save and sticker and share. After you finish with changing or removing background, you can adjust and optimize image settings and quality. You can use your cropped photos or images with transparent background or white background as sticker in other apps. Don't forget to share your images, made with the best BG remover, with your social media followers. Download background eraser, transparent and white background and PNG converter to enjoy a flawless remove background, erase background, change background and edit photo experience for 100% free. Now the third application is a text on photo. A photo text editor app or software can be best thing for you to remember those moments for your entire life. You click photos from any device such as Android, iPhone or laptop camera. There are many apps and software available in the online market which enables you to write best text on the photos as per your need. This apps can you make a final photo editing such as 1x1 or 2x2 size. Otherwise you can make also more designs such as birthday tarpaulin, magazine, flyers or family albums and others. Also in this apps you can finalize change your backgrounds you need to photo editing. I hope guys, you enjoyed watching my video tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and click the notification bell so that you will updated for watching my next video uploaded. Thank you for watching, have a nice day and God bless you all.
MGW Michael Go Watch TV.